everyone, welcome back to our channel, and we are in an exclusive subdivision in close proximity to Clark Freeport Zone, Clark International Airport, schools, malls, hotels, and other major business establishments. This is a two-story modern residential with a 256 square meters floor area and 150 square meters lot area. Join us on another house tour, but please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties.
Everybody say
Let's start. Mapapansin nyo na wala siyang gate. I know that you ask about that. You have an option to have a gate or not. Dito po sa exclusive subdivision na to, may mga properties or mga houses po na walang gate. Meron din naman meron. Though this design sa seller, ang original architectural design niya is without the gate. I think that is to showcase yung ating parking and of course yung ating mismong design ng facade niya. Start natin dito sa ating garden. Mapapansin nyo guys, this is artificial grass. What I love about this, low maintenance kasi siya. So hindi mo na siya kailangang i-maintain na pinuputol-putol. Ganyan na siya as it is. So very low maintenance siya. And also, ang ganda niya kasing tignan. Kasi pantay-pantay yung kulay niya, di ba? So this is your garden. As you can see, this is a window. That is your living area. This property is semi-furnished. So expect to see some furnitures at interior design. Okay, so ito nga ang ating pocket garden or ang ating mini garden. You can add more plants, pero meron na siyang simple plants and simple landscaping. Your porch, which is elevated. This is your porch, which is also elevated. Pero pakita ko na muna tayo yung parking natin. Your parking, as you can see, you also have your artificial grass. This parking is for two. Bukod sa wide, spacious, even yung length niya, it has a great measurement para sa kanyang length. This one naman is going to your jacuzzi pool. We have a decking at ito yung inyong pool area. Naririnig nyo naman kung gaano kalakas yung hampas ng tubig dahil jacuzzi pool siya. Okay, tapos meron siyang portion dun sa baba where you can sit and just relax yung ayan. You have your decking as you can see, ayan. Para saan ba yung decking? No, it's just a part that's a bit elevated. Para yung tubig, hindi siya nag-stay dyan. So, pababa yung water dyan. Let's say may mga kids kayo, hindi sila madudulas kasi, let's say, nabasa dito, bababa yung tubig agad. So, it's safe for your kids as well. Umpisa tayo sa harap para mas maganda. This is very nice. You have your wall lamps. Meron din yan sa facade kung napansin niyo kanina. And your parking, it's fully covered, as you can see, and painted siya ng white. Ang color palette natin, plays around sa facade natin with dark brown, warm brown, black. Kaya pag tinignan mo yung parking natin, pure white siya, mas nakikita mo na sobrang luwang ng parking natin. Alright, akit na tayo. Elevated porch. Oh, this is so nice kasi brown, black, and then white. Diba? Mas kita yung laki ng door natin, which is a solid door. Wide ang door natin at mataas din ang door natin. Smart lock, finger, code, at I think mobile app. Pwede rin siya. Pasok na tayo. High ceiling ang ating living area. Ayun. At nag-lock na po ang door natin. Safe na safe sa mga kids. Ayun nga, high ceiling ang ating living area at very cute ang ating chandelier or drop light na linear design na mga chopsticks na. Ang cute, no? Diba, very nice. Ito yung living area. Everything is included. Ang ganda dito. High ceiling and from here, nakikita mo yung iyong family area. Tapos ang ganda ng glass railings natin dyan. Back to the living area. This is your living area. Very cute siyang design natin kasi gray. Tapos yung carpet natin, dun siya nag-play around with colors. This is your TV console. As you can see, I think this is included. Ino-note na lang po namin kung hindi. So, ayan. You can mount your TV here or pwede yan, nakatayo. No, may shelf ka dyan. And then you also have storage dito. Okay. And then, from here, makikita mo naman yung iyong garden. Ang view mo naman sa iyong living area is your garden. Ito yung kaninang pinakita namin sa inyo nung nandyan tayo sa my garden. Alrighty. Next, dito, can I just Mention the color. Ayan, ang ganda. Kung may kids kayo, pwede maglaro. Kung may elderly, hindi basta-basta mababangga. So, perfect. Ang kanyang space. Your dining area, next to your living area, ang pinaka-accent nito ay yung mga track lights. Ang galing niya kasi, these track lights, usually when nakikita mo sila sa mga kitchen, yung isang linya lang siya and then there are so many track lights. You can focus that on your dining set, which is, this is a 6-seater dining set. You can change this to longer. Kaya pwede siyang 8-seater, kaya pa niya. Or yung mga circular, pwede rin naman. Yung track light natin would emphasize this side or this side. So hindi lang yung dining table natin yung kaya niyang i-emphasize. Also, your accent wall. I call this your accent wall kasi meron kang painting dito. But if you want to change this, pwede mo namang gawin niyang picture ng family, di ba? Okay. Next. Dito naman, tignan mo naman yung luwang dito. You can extend your dining area pa. But if you want space, like kung may mga kids kayo na tumatakbo-takbo, pwede dito. Can I just mention this one? This window gives you a view of your carport and also ang fresh lang niyang tignan kasi nakakaluwang ba lalo sa property kapag ganyan yung nakikita mong view from the inside. Aside from, sobrang spacious talaga dito. You have a console here where you put naglagay sila ng painting. You have a console table here, pwede ka maglagay. Going to your formal kitchen. Your formal kitchen, which is also your breakfast nook. Nandito rin. Waterfall ang design ng counter natin with white quartz countertop, range hood, cooktop included. You have your oven and you also have your microwave built in na rin siya. Just in case that you need to change it, yung sukat naman, ipoprovide naman po nila. And you have drawers here. So nice. Cabinets. Modular cabinets. May socket ka dyan. You have a single bowl stainless steel sink. Very cute. This refrigerator is also included. And since nandito na tayo at naririnig yun na ang tubig, nandito tayo kanina. Pakita natin sa labas. You also have your auxiliary kitchen just in case you want to convert it like auxiliary kitchen or your dirty kitchen. Pwede naman yan. Or this can also be just your main laundry area. Some kasi, they put a stove para lang pag nagluluto hindi nangangamoy. So, you can also do that. But you still have storage here naman. And this is for your laundry, your washing machine. This door, this is your maid's room. Sa ating mga staff po, you have your staff quarters, which has their own bathroom. Maluwang siya, guys, oh. And then your bathroom, it's a full bath with a shower area. Tamang-tama yung space. It's not too small. Kasi makakagalaw ka pa dito, oh. You've seen some other maid's quarter na yung room, yung mga bathroom nila sobrang liit. But this one, it has a good size. Okay, pasok tayo. Pagpasok natin, look at the view, ang ganda, no? And this is your guest room. Your guest room has a view of your pool area. Ang ganda nito, oh. Diba? Very fun. Fan ako ng mga properties with blinds and curtain. Pero ngayon ko lang na-appreciate yung glass lang na hindi mo siya linagyan ng curtain pa. No? Diba ang ganda? Oh. Your guest room. Yeah. This is for your TV. Aircon is included. And then, may built-in cabinet din siya, syempre. Shelves for your bags, for your shoes. And may hang dyan. Sa taas meron din. Tapos here, spacious pa siya, oh. Alam mo, sir, hindi ko lang natanong kanina, but napansin ko yung mga control natin. I think this is Alexa ready. No? Kasi may ano sila eh. Ready na sila for installation ng Alexa for a smart home. You have a storage dito sa under your staircase. Maganda yung size niya because it can fit mga boxes. Kasyang-kasya yung mga boxes dito rin. Under your stairwell or under your staircase, nandito po ang inyong... Oh, I thought powder room lang siya, but no, it's a full bath. May sink ka rin. And I'm checking. I just check if it's multi-point and it is multi-point. So meaning guys, even yung water dito is hot and cold. Your shower also, hot and cold. You have rain shower, you have hand shower, and floor-to-ceiling tiles. Ang tiles natin ay textured, kaya hindi po ito madalas. Let's go! Glass railing and metal handrail. Ang ganda! Very modern. Ayan. Ito yung napansin ko, kaya I mentioned na ano siya, na smart, ready for smart technology because this sensor yung mga step lights natin. Though, I feel like may mga inaayos pa dito. So, there are, like this one, it's not gonna work now. But, yung mga step lights na yan, censored kasi sila. So, that's when kaya ko na-mention na, I feel like, ready na siya for smart, or it's smart. Actually, I feel like pwede na siya sa mobile app. Iko-confirm din namin yan, guys, sa description. Tignan nyo na lang sa description natin. Alright, akit tayo! And, ang luwang ng landing. Tignan mo naman. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table sa landing niya kasi sobrang, di ba? Sobrang spacious. Meaning, sobrang safe niya. At ang ganda ng accent wall natin. And our chandelier. Pwede ka maglagay ng blinds dito. Pwede rin naman na ang curtain. Okay. Oh, na-figure out na namin yung ilaw. Kaya pala hindi pa siya nag-sensor kasi nga, wala pang ilaw din. So, lalagyan pa lang nila ng ilaw niya. Alright? Okay. Nakit na tayo. This is mahogany, solid wood po ang ating mga planks. At, ang ganda ng family area natin. Very cozy. Tignan mo yung tiles natin, nostalgic. Hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo, pero sila yung mga, alam mo yung mga bahay before na yung mga yayamanin na mga tiles. Diba? Ganyan yung mga color. Ang ganda, no? Ganyan yung mga tiles niya. Kaya very nostalgic siya. Modern, pero may pagka-retro din kasi may may mga old design tayo. Alright, start tayo dito. Look at their switches. Diba? Ready for Alexa. Oh, this is your, check this out. Diba? This is your bathroom. Ito yung ilaw. Vessel type sink. Again, multi-point. So this is hot and cold. And same with your shower. Ang luwang ng shower area natin, floor-to-ceiling tiles, ang ganda kasi emboss yata yung mga natin dito. Your niche, your tempered glass partition, shower, hand shower, your exhaust fan, pin light, cove lights, and ayan, meron ka pang for your towel. At saka yung doors natin, lahat ng doors natin, matataas sila. Not your usual size. Mataas yung doors natin. First bedroom, wow! This is your first bedroom. So, lahat ng nakikita nyo included. The bed frame is included. Double bed. This is a double bed. And you have side lamps here. I wonder how to open. Oh, I think that's the one. That's the switch. Meron ka ding side table, glass. You have your accent wall. Ang accent wall pinagsipan. Hindi na siya basta idinikit. Super nice. Your built-in cabinet, sa gitna yung shelves natin. Shoes, bags. Here. At may hangka din dito. Okay, dito maluwang pa. Pag open mo, di ba, ang luwang pa niya. Tapos I think ito yung tadan! Oh, may ilaw siya. At sa side. Diba? Hindi lang siya basta accent wall. Pinag-isipan siyang accent wall. Hala, ngayon ko lang ito napansin. Kanina hindi ko napansin na may ilaw. As in, na-surprise din ako na pinindot ko. Okay. Uy, ang ganda niya. Come on. Dito tayo. Next, another bedroom. Ang sarap namang isipin that the house, even yung accent wall natin is well thought of. Diba? Tignan mo naman yan. Doon tayo sa kabila. Ang luwang dito. Double bed. This is included, of course. This is where you put your TV. Cement finish. So this is where you will mount your TV. May socket ka na dyan. This is for your cable. Uy, mas malaki yung built-in cabinet ito. There. Very nice. Meron ka pa sa taas. Nabubuksan yon. Aside from your built-in cabinet, meron ka na yung built-in vanity area or study area. With drawer. Ito, mga books mo or mga makeup mo, pwede. And you can put a mirror here. Okay. Very nice carpet. I just want to mention. That is also included. Back to our, oh, this is nice. Your TV console / you can also put ano ba yung tawag ng mga, aparador ba ang tawag ng mga matatanda dito, di ba? Very ganun yung dating niya. Kasya yung 60 inches na TV. Maluwang pa. Pwedeng-pwede. And yung family area mo, look. Your accent wall. Ang astig na mga accent wall nitong property na to kasi very specific on a certain portion. This one, fluted panels. You have also, these are boards talaga, oh. Diba? Side table. Tapos, hindi lang siya diretso doon. You have space here. For kids, if you want to add more seat, pwede rin naman dito. If gusto mo na dito yung food, you put a table here para sa yung gathering, pwede siya. Kung ayaw mo doon sa baba, pwede ka maglagay dito kasi sobrang luwang niya talaga. Lalagpasan ko to kasi ito yung master bedroom. So, dito na tayo. Balcony dito. But ang cute lang niya kasi, ayan, L-shape siya. Tsaka, yung flooring niya or yung tiles niya, diba parang sa loob ng bahay? Oh. Dito rin. But, meron kang mga breeze blocks. So, yan. Diba? Kahit mataas yung fence mo dito, may mga butas siya. So, papasok pa rin yung hangin. Mahangin, no? Diba? Okay. Dahil, dito na tayo sa ating master bedroom. If I may say, ito yung kaninang pinapakita ko na you have a view of your living area. Ang ganda, diba? Parang gusto ko mag-recap dito. Ang ganda kasi nitong yung drop light natin or chandelier natin. Pasok na tayo sa ating master bedroom. Wow! Oh, okay. So, inaayos pa tong mga side lamps natin. At ang ganda naman itong stool natin dito. Very relaxing. Alam mo, naisip ko yung mga nakikita ko sa mga online store. Yung rocking chair na modern, yung merong foam. Perfect siya dyan. Ang ganda. TV console, ayan. Diba? Very nice. Tapos, ang ganda ng carpet natin. Very Filipino. King size bed naman po tayo dito. Alright. Very nice ang headboard natin. Again, yung accent wall natin dito naman, may painting siya. So nice. Side table, dalawa. At eto, yung mga side lamps natin, linalagay pa nila. So, walk-in closet. Nice. This one too. Ayan pa, eto pa. Linalagay pa yung mga hang natin siya. Ganda, no? Tapos, ito yung master bathroom. Wow, okay. Mas light yung color ng ilaw. Oh, yan. Mas light yung color ng bathroom natin. Ang ganda ng sink natin. Oh, stainless steel. Hot and cold na yan kasi may multi-point tayo. Yung space natin for the toilet, I like it kasi may space ka pa dito. Pwede ka maglagay yan for your tissue or pwede ka na maglagay ng trash can kung gusto mo. Or the hamper, pwede dyan. Shower area. Okay. Piano type yung kanyang shower, stainless steel shower set with rain shower and handrail. Tapos meron ka pang mini. Ito yata yung hand, no, that is the hand shower. This one is the water outlet. Spacious, tempered glass partition. Yung drainage niya, doon siya sa corner. Tapos, square siya. Kaya hindi siya masyado. Yung iba kasi yung, pag nasa gitna na hindi masyadong maganda yung pagkakaposisyon, parang maduming tignan. But this one, ang linis. Niche. Spacious floor-to-ceiling tiles. Meron ka ring hanger ng yung towel dito. At, mataas yung iyong door. Solid door. Hala, yun na pala. Back tayo sa ground floor para sa ating recap. Let's go. And for our recap, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-story modern residential located in an exclusive subdivision here in Angeles City, which is in close proximity to Clark International Airport, Clark Freeport Zone, hospitals, malls, schools, universities, restaurants, and other major business establishments. Also, it is an hour drive to Subic. Well, if mahilig kayo or well, it's actually summertime, so when you purchase this property, kung gusto niyo pumunta ng Subic, it's just an hour drive going to Subic. This property has a 256 square meters floor area and 150 square meters lot area. The property is semi-furnished and may mga inayos pa. So if you found some things like yung side lamp natin hindi pa nakalagay, well, we will install that. But habang hindi pa po sila naka-install, pwede naman kayong, or while the property is still, finish pa or naglalagay pa ng mga iba pang mga accent and other things, pwede na po kayong mag-visit to view this property. Kaya if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami sa Messenger. And if you don't have Messenger, we have other messaging platforms. We have WhatsApp, Viber. You also have our numbers there, and email kung gusto nyo pong mag-reach out sa amin. You can follow us on Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, and you can follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga, because we will be showing some reels. Actually, even on Facebook, may mga reels na nitong property while editing ng full video po natin. Again, that's BP Pampanga, and you can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, Instagram, Enalalu, to book your trippings there. Alrighty, thank you so much for joining us on another house tour. At please, sa ating mga subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and always watching our videos. Maraming salamat po. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Ella, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house is. Modern home. Malapit na eh. Ay, wait lang. Wait lang. Okay. Oh, it's a drawer. Okay, drawer. Ay, hindi pala siya drawer. Ano ba to? Sir, sandali. Sir, hindi ko mabuksan. Wait lang. Okay. And then, oh, this is your master's bedroom na pala. Mamaya na yan, sir. Balcony lang to, di ba? Okay na, papakita ko yan. Sige, dito muna ako. At this property is also, wait lang. Sir, ulitin ka.